Embracing the magical beauty of Byron Bay, this is Cooper's Chute Residence, a creation of intelligence and sustainability. Perched high up on a hill, the heroic structure mirrors the shape of California's Getty Museum. And revisiting the house is local architect Zaher. It's been more than 2 years since he conceived this modern masterpiece. Hello Sam, how are you?
Good, how are you? Good to see you.
Good to see you. Your work is magnificent.
Thank you, thank you. It's a great house, I'm really happy with it. The house is a bit big, so we're trying to break it down a bit in terms of volume and structure. And that's when we introduce the grey and the black Japanese style timber, burnt charred timber.
Operating off the grid, 130 square metres of rooftop gardens create an effective insulation system. Strong geometric shapes combining to form beautiful, intricate patterns.
So the entry here is, what I'm trying to do is create that hole, or I call it the black hole. And so it's basically recessed in, gives you protection from the weather, and it signifies the entry. And I love entries, I like to make them very clear and visible.
Greeting you on the other side from all angles, glorious views where the gardens and paddocks blur into infinity. You talk us through the design process. So the clients had their ideas and you must have had your own ideas as well?
Yes, I tried to make the ground floor the public space where you've got the visitors and that's where your daily living is.
Soaring sky high into a gallery-like space, the void attracts lots of light and air. Magical living areas mingle with sun-kissed terraces, and drawing attention over the pool are horizontal beams emanating a mesmerising calm.
It's one of those houses where you can sit there here for hours and enjoy the view. You don't have to be anywhere.
Upstairs, each of the 4 bedrooms watch over the landscape, and wrapping around the master, a bold visual statement inviting the outside in. So we're now entering the star deck?
Yes.
So why is it called the star deck?
Well, it meant to basically, because the stars here are amazing at night, so it's a place where you can sit down, have a glass of wine and enjoy the stars.
Do the gardens play an importance in the design?
They do. The clients, Roger is a very passionate gardener, so we're trying to have gardens everywhere.
An addition to the existing home is the beautiful charred timber greenhouse Roger uses to propagate his tulips. It's very zen-like.
It is. It reminds me of, these old churches. You've got these slides coming from the windows and it feels like that.
And like a piece of much-loved jewellery, shines with soul. The home is much more than a reflection of the owner's vision. It's a testament to the love of architecture and devotion to the land on which it sits. Thanks for watching. For more videos, follow Oz Home News, Australia's most exclusive news source in real estate.